Okay, okay, mic check, mic check. Okay, okay, mic check, mic check. All right. So for today, I will give a virtual contest. Okay, I was not able to do this. I was not able to participate in this contest. Let's start the virtual contest. Okay. Let's get. Let me see. Okay, never mind. Okay, let's start the virtual contest. Okay, virtual contest. Okay, so these are the power. Okay. Hmm. So this one is the easy one. You are given a zero index integer nums having length n, okay, and an integer difference. This is the difference, and an integer value. Okay, so this is index difference, value difference. Your task is to find two indices I and j. Okay, both should be in the range satisfying two conditions, and the difference between those should be okay. So the difference of those indexes should be equals to or greater than, and the absolute difference between them should be okay. Return an integer array answer where answer I if there are two such indices and answer minus minus otherwise if there are multiple choice for wait what return an answer where answer of ij if there okay if there are two such indices okay and answer minus minus otherwise if there are multiple choice for the two indices return any of them. Okay, so if there are multiple choice I can return any of them, right? So what I need to do is I need to find a place. Okay. Hmm. For the time complexity, okay, so I can write a n-square solution, right? So what I will do is I will, so let's say we found, right? So I will iterate on the nums. So it should be I plus 1, right? If, what, if j minus I is greater than equals to the this and absolute value of nums of j minus, sorry, nums of I, if it is greater than equal to, sorry, greater than equal to the value difference, okay, then I know for sure that this is my answer. So what I will do is I will create a vector. Let's create a vector here, vector share result 2 and initialize minus 1. Okay, so if it is this the answer, then what should I do? I will say rest of 0. So first one will be I and rest of I will, sorry, first one will be j. Okay, and then what I will do is I will just break it out, right? Because I only need one. And in the end, I will just return, sorry, rest, right? 0, 3, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay, so it should be I itself. Let's now see. 0, 3, 1, 1, minus 1, 1. Hmm, Other valid answer are okay. Okay, so these are the valid answers. Submitted. Okay, so this get accepted. You're given a binary string. Okay, so and positive integer k. Okay, a substring of s is beautiful if the number of ones in it is exactly k. Okay, so if substring, okay, it should have exactly k. Let length be the length of longest, length of shortest beautiful substring. Okay, so shortest beautiful substring will be what? one substring of executable is exactly k. Okay, if it has exactly k, then the lexicographical smallest beautiful with length equal to n does not contain hidden and empty strings. Okay, okay. So what I need to do is I have a k, so I need a window of three, and for among those, I need to find the lexicographical smallest substring. What do you mean by lexicographical smallest substring? Let's length with the length of shortest beautiful substring. Okay, so first of all, I need to find the shortest beautiful substring. So I can do this in sliding window. Okay, once I found the window, I need to find the lexicographical smallest. So string A is lexicographical smaller than UK. So it should have a zero first, right? Example 1101. Okay, shortest is this. Okay, okay. Let's see the time complexity. Oh, it is 100. Uh, so this can be done in many ways, right? I can do it in linear. They are expecting what n-cube solution. Why? So what I will do is, let's say what? Sorry, I wait a second. I traverse all the substring, right? I find out the minimum length in which this is this is the minimum index. Okay, then what I will do is I will just right. Okay, I can write a solution. Let's see. So what I'll do is for integer equals to zero, less than okay, and then I plus plus okay, equals to zero, okay, less than n j plus plus okay, okay fine. So what I will do is once equals to zero. So what I will do is I will store the constant. I should also store a length maybe in the mini length equals to max. Once equals to zero okay. Mm, so if what s of j is equals to what? It should be I. If s of j is equals to 1, then ones should be incremented. Okay, right. So what I'm doing is I'm calculating for every substring ij. And what I need to do is I need to find the length, right? So once in current window is equals to a, then what? Then I need to first I need to calculate the length. Length will be what? So mini len will be minimum of mini len itself. Uh, okay, let's see. String s equals to let's say empty. Let's say else. Okay. So what I will do is if mini len is greater than this j minus I plus 1, right? Or equals to, then what I will do is first of all I will check if res has already present or not. If res dot size, so if res dot length, if it is 0, then my res will be what? S dot substring, which will start from I, and the length will be this j minus I, right? Hmm. So if it is empty, then The rest will be whatever the substring is. If it is not empty, that means it has previously. So what I will do is else if mini length is equals to j minus I plus 1. If it is already so then rest will be minimum of res itself and this substring and j minus I plus 1. Okay, fine. And else, else what I will do is else, sorry, should be else. Okay, else my res will be just so str I comma j minus I plus 1. In the end, what I will do is I will simply return yes. Okay, let's see whether this will work. 11001 okay. 1 1 and empty string 1 1 and empty string okay. Is there any edge case? Uh, is there? I'm not able to think now right now. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm calculating every and what I'm doing is if I for the current window if the ones is equals to k then what I'm doing is okay maybe I need to break from here also so maybe this will improve some complexity. Let's submit it. Okay, wrong answer. Oh, I didn't think. Wait, minimum of press itself. Uh, oh, if minimum length. Wait, where I am updating mini length? What the hell? I'm not updating mini. Why? Okay, now it will be fine. I think. Yes, I was not updating mini length. Okay. Let's see this question. Okay, so given an okay. So I think it is. Eh? Is it the same question? Okay, now, oh, okay, okay. So it was the first question, but they are improving. Okay, yes, yes. So I know this, I can do this in sliding window, right? I told it previously, okay. No, no, this, wait, what? Okay, so I need to find a pair. So the index difference should be 2. Okay, the value difference should be 4. Okay, it should be greater than 4. Okay. Hmm. Index difference is 10 to the power 9. Okay, wait a second. Now I have to do it linear. Terms of I is 10 to the power 9. Okay. This difference is this. Value difference is this. Okay. So, what I need to do is I need to find the answer ij. Okay. So that they have, okay. So 5141 index value is 2, value is 4. Okay. So let's see for this example. 5141. Okay. So 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So what I will do is I will try to think if I'm considering this I, right? So the value of j will be what? It should be greater than 2, right? So it will start from here. And what I need to do is I need to find a value difference of 4. Okay. Okay. Maybe. Hmm. Okay, so maybe I can start from here. What I'm thinking of currently is, let's say 5141, right? 0123. Yes. Okay, so let's start from here. Let's consider this J, right? So for this, there will be no solution, right? So I will say, okay, so there is one at index 3. So all I need the index 3 and then the value 1, right? Okay. Hmm. So I will go here. So this is 2.4. Okay. So first of all, I will look for a upper bound of this. 2 plus 2, 4. Is there any 4 index present? No. Okay. So there will be no such thing. Then 2 comma 4 will be here. Okay. Then J comes here. So for this, I will look at upper bound of 1 plus 2. That is 3. Is 3 present? Yes. Is the value difference between those and below is, then among those I need to find, right? Okay. Ah, maybe, okay, let's see. So this will be pushed down, this will be 1 comma 1. Okay, so let's say for this is this I 0 comma 5, so it will be from here onwards. This value is 5. Okay, so 5 and some value, yes, 1 is present. So 0 and 3 will be up here. Hmm. So, okay, so what I can do is, first of all, I need to find, they are thinking of an n log n solution, right? Nums of I is also greater. Okay, let's see what happens. If I'm considering this, let's say this. So what I first of all need, I need the all the indexes greater than this, right? And they should all be sorted so that I can use a lower bound of this value minus this value. If I'm considering this, right? This will look in order. Okay. Hmm. Let's see. Let's see how much time we have. Okay, so where is the question? Okay, 5141. Okay, yes. So, okay, 5141. That's fine. Okay, so what I'm considering is that's a 0123, right? So I'm saying okay, 31 is there, 24 is there, 1 is there. Okay, so let's for this. What I need to do is um, 0. Okay, so what I did is I found out this. Okay, so these elements, what I can do is, okay, so, oh, okay, okay. So there should be a range, right? So suppose 0, 1, 2, 3. So they are asking for a index difference is 2. So this is the range, right? So let's start from here. Let's start from here. Okay, let's start from here. So 3 has no round. Okay, the 3 will not be good. No, it will be. 2 has no round. Okay, 2 will not be pushed. Okay, so 1 has 3. Does 1 have 3? Uh, yes, I think so. Yes, 1 has 3. So, okay, what I will do is I will push this. Okay, this. Okay, so 3 will push. Okay, right? Hmm. 3 will push. Yes. Now is this I know. So next one will be this. Okay, now 2 will be pushed. Is there any value with the corresponding? Uh, Will this work? Yes, it will work, I suppose. So, what is the time complexity? First of all, I need a sliding window, right? Yes. Okay. And then a login operation. Okay. Yes, yes. I think this should work. So, what I'm doing is, let me think it more clearly. Okay, so 5141, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, right? So the last index is 3. So for 3, the index return should be 5. So let's say 4 and 5, right? I is there and J is there. Okay. So J is out of the boundary. So what I will do is there's nothing we can do. So I will be here. J will be at 4. Okay. Still, okay. Now I will be here. Wait, what? Okay. And J will be here. Now, but J is present, right? J is less than equal to, so J will be pushed. Okay. Now what I will do is for this I will search on this. Okay. Is there any? No. Okay. So next I is this, J is this. Okay. So J is present. Yes. So 4. Oh, sorry. It should be 1. So what I'm doing, I'm considering this I, right? Okay. Let's see. Okay, now I got the intuition. So what I will do is, first of all, I will calculate the number size. Okay. And so I need to create a two variables. So I will be whatever the last index is, and the J will be whatever the for the last, what is the minimum range? So minimum range is, let's say, what, I plus this index difference. Okay, this difference. So if it is 3, then it is okay. So what I will do is, while I is greater than 0, right, I will iterate till that. Okay, and what I will do is, I will create a vector which will store my result, will be of two sides, and initially it will be -1. So what I will do is, then also I need to create a what, of a set, because I want to do a what, binary search, right? So I just need a lower one. So I can create a set of pair because I need the index also. So let's create this st. Okay. So this will be a set. Is it will be going to be multi-set? No, because every index will be unique. So there will be no more duplicate. So what I have is currently I is okay. So what I will do is, if my j is currently out of the bound, right? If my j uh, is greater than equal to n, so currently there will be nothing. So I will be decremented and j will be also decremented, right? Okay. So I will be decrement, j will be decrement. If my j is correct value, so what I will do is I will insert it in my array, sorry, set. So it will be a pair. So first value will be the value and the second value will be the index. Okay. Okay. Now for the current I will do a search. So I will create an auto iterator. Iterator will be what? st dot. I need to find the lower one, right? Because they are saying, let's say I am at 5. I'm considering this I. So 5 minus 4 is what? 1, right? So I need either what? Wait, here nums of I minus nums of j. Okay, so I need either greater or lower. Wait, what? Mm, nums of I and nums of j. So nums of j can be greater also, right? So 5 can come here, 1 can also can here. So the difference between them should be equals to 4. Uh, is it right? Let's see. So let's say currently this is 1, sorry, this will be 4 and 1, right? I'm considering 5. So if I understood this, then I need to find the 1 value. Is 1 present? Yes, 1 is present. Okay. Okay. Wait, what? I need to find the one value or less than that, right? Yes. So let's say, wait, what? Now let's say this is 4 and 5. Okay. So I'm considering 1. So 1 minus 4 is 3. 1 minus 4 is 3. Mhm. So it should be what? 1 plus 4 then. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 is present? Yes. Wait, what? What I'm thinking, so I, so let's say I is what? 5. So I need to find what? Either one ahead or one lower, right? So difference is 4, right? So either I need to find what? 5 minus 4 is 1. Okay. The difference between this should be greater than the value difference. So maximum difference will be 1, right? Minimum can be 0 as well, minus 1 as well. Okay. Is there negative element? No. Okay. Minus 1 also. Okay. This is the maximum value. This is 5 minus. If 5 plus 4, 9. Okay. So this is the 9. So 9 can be possible, 10 can be possible, 11 can be possible because 9 minus 5 is 4, right? Is greater than equals to 10 minus 5 is 5, which is greater than equals to. Okay, okay. Uh, okay. So I need to find, okay, so there will be two range. First of all, let's see the, hmm, let's see the lower one, lower bound of it. The key value is, okay, it is a pair, right? Uh, 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 mm, I need to find a lower one. Okay. Nums of J. So what the element will be? So current value is what? Sorry, nums of I. So current value is nums of I, right? Okay, so what I need to do is I need to find the value minus what? Value minus value minus the value difference. So 5 minus 4 is 1. Okay. And let's say minus 1. Okay. So this one is the first, right? So let's say for this example too. So what it will be like this. So 1 comma 3 and 4 comma 2. So I'm considering 5. So 5 minus 4 is 1 and 1 comma minus 1 I am searching for lower bound of this. So lower bound of this will be what? 1 will be 1 and this will be 1 comma 3. So I found out the lower bound, right? Right. So if it is not equals to st dot n, okay, if I found out the lower bound, okay, now what I will do is let's see whether it should be less, right? So for I'm considering, let's say there was 2 comma 3, right? So lower bound, let's say it comes 4 comma 2 and there was 2 comma 3. So what I'm thinking is, okay, so first of all I need to find whether this IT arrow, so this will be star of IT, right, dot first, this will be the value. If the value is greater than the value I'm considering, right, it should be equals to this. If IT star dot first is greater than this value, right, so I need to decrement it, right? What I'm thinking is, okay, dot first, okay. So if it is greater, then what I will do is, what I need to do is, I need to decrement, but I need to make sure that it is not begin, right? So bool flag equals to, let's say flag, let's set the flag false, okay. If it is, so flag will be true. Now I know that flag is true. Okay, so if it, sorry, if it is equals to st dot begin, right, and flag is true. If it is equals to, then it means this is not working. So let's say if it is not equals to st dot begin and flag is true, so what I will do is I will just decrement the it minus minus. Okay, let's do it here. I will decrement it. Now I believe it should be either less than or equal to if, wait a second, if it is not equals to st dot begin, right? Yes. So I think now it will be clear. So res of 0 will be what? I, and res of 1 will be what? Star of it dot second. This will be the index, right? And I will just break it out from here. Is it correct? Let's see. No. Okay, so what I did is, first of all, I need to check whether I found out the lower one. Okay, if it is not equals to, okay. So I created a bool flag, okay. I make sure that the if it value is greater. But I did not find the lower one. I found the upper one. Then what I did was I set the flag equals to true. Okay. So if it is not equals to green, that means there are some previous element which have value less than this, right? And flag is set, yes. So I decremented it. So it should be now at begin or greater than begin. Okay. So rest of I equals to greater it arrow sign. Okay. So either this will happen or let's again create a upper one. Sorry, lower one. Right. Now it should be this is this minus this. Okay. So there may be happening, but so let's value plus value difference, comma minus one. Let's see the upper bound of this, sorry, lower bound of this. So 5 plus 4, 9, right? Yes. So again, it will look like something this. Okay. So if I found the lower bound, right? I'm finding the lower bound, right? Yes. So if I found out the lower bound, yes, and it is not equals to end, yes, then I got my answer. Right or wrong? Yes, you are right. So res of I equals to res of y again. Okay. And if it is nothing is working, and if it is not nothing is working, okay. I did not find this. After all this, what I will do is I will decrement I and also I will decrement C, right? And then I will return res. See whether this will work. Sorry. It should be okay. What? See dot insert. Okay, where it is happening. Uh, 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 uh. Okay, it should be continue, right? Okay, minus y. Why? No, no, no. Minus one. Why? It's not minus one. What is given minus one? Okay, let me run this again. So, so the value I have is it is 5141, right? So 0, 1, 2, 3, right? So I will be where I is n minus 1, so I is at last, and j will be I plus index difference, that is I plus 2. So 3 plus 4, 5, right? So I is here, okay. So currently, if j is, so while I is greater than 0, okay. So j is greater than equals to n, yes. So oh sorry, yes, I is there and j is 4, okay. Still it is greater, okay. So I will be this, j will be this. Okay, now j is fine. So I'm inserting its set. So in set it will be 1 comma 3, right? Okay, right. Okay. So I found out the value. Value is what? Value is 1. Okay. So I am finding the lower bound of 1 minus value difference. Value difference is 4. So 1 minus 4 is minus 3. So I found out the lower bound of this. So it is 1. Okay. So it is not equals to std bool flag. Okay. Star of it dot first. Okay. So this is the it. This is the value 1. If one value is greater than the value minus value difference, then I set the flag, okay? If it is not equals to st dot begin and flag, but it is equals to begin, so this will not work, okay? Now I'm finding the lower bound again. So st dot lower bound of 1 plus 4, that is 5. Is 5 present there? I found the lower bound. Lower bound of 5 is, so it is and, so this will continue. So I minus minus and j also minus minus. So, okay, again here j is or j is not greater than equal to, and so I implemented j. So currently j has what? 1 comma 3 and now 2 comma 4, right? Sorry, 4 comma 2. 4 comma 2, okay. So value is what? Value is 5, okay. So I am finding out the lower bound of value 5 minus 4. That is 1. Did I found the one? Uh, okay. If it is okay, full flag, okay. Okay. So there should be a case, right? Wait a second. So let me think. If sorry, if star of it dot dot first is equals to the value minus whatever value I'm looking for. Okay, that means I found out the value. So I just need what? Res of 0 will be what? I. Res of 1 will be this. Then this will be the issue. Right? Just done. And break out of this what? Loop. Let's see now. How much time we have? 1 hour. What is happening? 0311 minus 1. 0311. 11 is also minus minus. Okay. Should I submit? Is there any edge case? Hmm. Okay. So I'm considering this. I think there should be okay. So I'm looking for value of value difference. Okay. So if it is not n, that means I found out the value, right? Because I need just greater than z. Okay. I think this should be. What is that? Okay. Let's submit it. I think this should work. Not working. It's not as okay. What is scale? 80, 80 and 1 comma 7. 8, 0, sorry, 0, 1, okay, and 1, comma 7. So index difference is 1, right? So I will be here and J will be here, right? Let me think, okay. So I is, okay, J will be I plus this, okay, J will is here. J is still greater than, so I will be here, J will be here. Now what is happening is I push the nubs J, comma J. So 0, comma 1 will be pushed, yes. 0, comma 1 will be pushed, yes. Now what? Now the value is 8, right? Yes, yes. So lower bound of 8 minus the value difference. Value difference is what? 1. No, values difference is 7. 8 minus 7 is 1. Oh, oh, okay, okay. Okay. So if I not found the lower bound, right? So I will just, what I will do is I will just do a, sorry. This will be I, rest of 1 will be what? Still not begin. Uh, Still not begin. Not first or second? Second maybe. I think this will work now. I forgot about this case. Sorry. Let me do one thing. Auto ITR. So again, okay, ITR. What second? So this should be first. I need to reference it, right? Okay, now it is okay. Now it is fine. Okay, 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 okay. Let's do the last question. We have still 15 minutes left. It's still not big. Okay, load the problem, bro. What are you doing? Hmm. But try this question. So given a zero index 2D integer, okay, so we have given a 2D integer matrix grid of n cross m. We define a zero index 2D of size n cross n as the product matrix of grid with the following condition met. Each element Pij is calculated as the product of all elements in grid except for the element grid of Ij. This product is then taken modulo. Okay, so 4, 3, 12, 12 to 24. So 24 will be there. This two. So what? 4, 3, 12. 12 will be there. For this 3. 4 to the 8. 8, 1, 8. Okay. Return the product matrix of grid. Where what is the issue here? Okay, so the value is very large, but I am taking modulo. Hmm. So they are asking for doing what? Except this, right? Hmm. So I'm thinking that multiplying all the element will not work here. So is there any issue? So for the current Pij, the value will be what? the value will be all the element multiplied except that, right or no? Right. So what I'm thinking right now is, what should it look like? Grid of I is 10 to the power 9, okay. Created actual is a this product is then taken modulo 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So why 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? So the maximum product will be in between this range, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is 1, 2, 3. So 5 then each element is calculated as a product of calculate. So imagine 10 to the power 9 multiplied by what? This much, this many times. So it's 9 plus 5 is what? 14, and 14 plus 5 is suppose 19. So what will be the issue here? Let's see what should the issue. This product is then taken modulo 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10 to power 9 is multiplied this many times, not multiplied by this many times. 9 will be very large. So they are asking for modulo 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Uh, it's 10 to the power 5 different. Okay, so what is the basic in DC? 40 minutes, right? Uh, what is the basic issue? Hmm. So I have a matrix. What I can do is I can multiply what maybe one time multiply. Oh, is that am I thinking correctly? Let's say 10 into 5 is 50. Let's say in last I modulo it like um, say 3. So what will be the value? 3 1 3, 20, 3 6 18, 3 6 18, 2, yes, 2 is left, okay. But I if I did here 3, so it 1 3 2. Oh, okay, 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 okay. So the question here is now become very silly because in the end, what I will do is, hmm, input size. Okay, I think this will work in my opinion because it's just maths. I should have given this contest. See, express. Okay, so I'm updating now, right? Grid of I will be modulo equals to create this mod one, two, three, four, five. This mod. Okay. And let's create a long value. Let's say, but initially let's say it one. And I'm multiplying value. Multiply equals to grid of ij. Right. So now what I will do is again I'm returning the grid grid as a my answer. Less than m j plus plus. Okay. So now sorry grid of oh wait. Okay, let's I need the original one also. Right? Wait, what? Hmm. So, what I'm doing is I need to remove that product. Okay, then I don't think I need. So grid of I j will be what? This okay. So grid of ij will be the current value divided by grid of ij. And then I will just return grid. Will this work? Let's see. Hmm, 24, 12, 86. It is working. Let's see. Okay, division by 0. Okay. Wait, what happened? Okay, so we need to consider division by 0 as well. So 1 to this, right? So for this, the answer will be 1. Okay. Now for this, the answer will be what? So multiplication is this. The answer will be what? This. Multiply by 2. Okay, so in my answer, this will be 0. So 0 to 1, right? Okay. So for this, the answer will be what? Multiplication is 0. Oh, okay. Now I think there is some issue. Maybe. Maybe. Huh. Okay, now I got the problem here. So the value is 0, right? Uh, uh-huh, uh-huh. Uh-huh, uh-huh. I cannot multiply, I cannot mod them. What can I do? I think mod, there should be mod, right? So this will become 0, this will become 2, this will become 1. So maybe I can do it with here that if grade of I and sorry j is not equals to 0, then I will multiply. Right, so let's say it becomes 2, right, on the multiplication. Then outcomes here. For this, the value will be 2 divided by 0, right? So if the value grade of I is not equals to 0, if it is 0, then the grade of ij will be value itself. Will this solve the question? I don't know. Let's see. 212. Okay, 212 is wrong, I think. Yes, 2120. Okay, so multiplication is what? 2. Now for this, whatever. It should be 0. Again, we have to take more. The value is 2 and the period of idea is what? 2. So 2 and 1. So 1 is coming. So it should be 0. Period of 0 is 0 multiplied by 1. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, 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 okay. Uh, so what is the problem here? So I'm not multiplying 0, right? Hmm. Okay. So let's say for this one, the multiplication is what? 2. Like that. Because I know that whenever I multiply this 2 and I divide it by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I will get 2. Okay. So for this, the value is what? Well, it's 0. 0 multiplied by anything. Modulo that will be always 0. So, okay, so what I need to find is I need to find whether I found out the okay. So what I'm doing is I'm not multiplying the 0, okay? Let's say that if bool found 0 equals to true, sorry, equals to false, right? Right. If it is 0, then I will say, okay, found 0 equals to true, right? That I found out the 0, okay? Okay, so whenever I'm doing this, okay, let's say I didn't, let me do a edge case here. Okay, so what I'm saying, I'm considering a value, the value, okay, yes. So what I need to do is I need to find whether if found 0 is true, then I for sure know that grade of IG will be what will be 0 always, right? Else, I think else this will be the case. Yes. If it is 0, then what it means? If it is 0, then whatever the value I have, will this work? 24.86.200.200. Okay, now it is working. But still, I still think this will not work. I think it properly. Okay. So 0 will come only when but if I found out the but if I found out any 0 present, okay. So I created a variable found 0. So while creating array, can I calculate the multiplication of all other elements that are not the part of this, right? Yes. So while creating, if it is 0, if it is 0, okay, so okay, I also need a count at how many zeros I have found, right? Okay, so think, let's count this plus, okay, that I found this. Okay, so if grade of I is okay, else will be another case, else will be what? That means if I found out the zero, there will not be case that okay, so there will be multiple zeros, right? If count is equals to 1, there is only one, and that is the one I am considering, then this will be this. Else, grade of I j will be also 0, right? If they are multiple, the value of this, right? Anything else? That's four. Anything else? And if I'm considering a value 1, okay, I say, okay, I, I, did I found any one? Yes. So, I know for sure what the value, okay. I think now it is fine. Let's submit. The wrong answer. 7 cents. Okay, so this one is working fine. Okay, okay now, okay, so 615 is working now. This one, okay, input is this, output is this. Okay, okay. Do I have to again modulate? I think so. Okay, so I am multiplying value. So value maybe get increment, right? So let's say in my last value modulo equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do it to because I am multiplying the modulo, right? So it may get bigger. 9 to 2. Okay, now it is like that. But 615 is good. But this should come like this. Okay. 776 is not working. 6480 bad. Okay. Maybe not here. Maybe here. 1290 and not here. Remember, you know, 776. Okay. 325. Okay. Let's try run this. Okay. So 3, 2, 5. Okay. 6, 4, and 3. 5, 6, 3, and 1. Right. So if I modulate, then all these will be what? They will still be this. So what is the multiplication of this? So let me, okay, I need a calculator. What is the calculator? Okay. So 3 into 2 into 5 into 6 into 4 to 3 into 6 into 3. So this is the answer, right? So 3, 8, this right here. 3, 8, 8, 8, 0. It is 3, 8, 8, 8, 0. Yes. So this is the multiplication of all this. Right on, right? So this mod 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1845. So 1845 is this. Okay. Very good. So what is happening? For this, the value will be what? Because I did not find any zero, right? So there will be no zero. And the grade of I j will be more equals to mod. So all will be still. It is not equals to zero. Okay. So if grade of I is not equals to zero, if found zero is nothing. Because I did not found zero. So grade of I will be value. Wait, what is the value? Okay, the sum. So it will be 3, 8, 8, 0 modulo. Sorry, divide. It should be divide or modulo? Divide, right? Divided by 3. 12960. Yes. Mod, modulo 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 615. Okay, correct. Now again for this 38880 divided by 1, 2, this modulo 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 709. Yeah, I understood. So it should be here after modeling. I think now it will be fine. 615, 648. Yes, now let's submit it. Runtime error. Overflow. My God, overflow. Mm, long. So maybe I should use unsigned. Submit now. Wrong answer. What do you mean wrong answer? Output is this. Okay, my God, bro. Let me mod it everywhere. Is it the same test case? I think so. 1420. Okay, 2194519. What the hell? And there is no zero present, right? Still I'm getting this error. Output is 8219. 8219. Count is equals to 1, so value equals to mod. So this will be values, right? Grade of ij will be equals to value divided by grade of ij mod. My God. It's 10 into 20 into 18 to 16 into 17 to 14 to 16 into 9 into 14 to 6 into 16 into 5 into 14 to 8, 8, 20 into 13 to 16 and 14 into 17. Okay, so this is the result, and if I model it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is 3, 4, 5, 0. Right, right. So, expected. Maybe I need to do a more here also. Or 8, 1, 2, wait, wow. Divided by 20, 17.25, 3, 4, 5, 0. Yeah, 6, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know what is wrong. What the hell is wrong here? Unsigned long value. Please see out the man first. Before to the for the last, this is not the but hmm, What's going on? So I'm moduling with everyone. Sorry. Hmm. Then what the hell? Okay, let's. Uh, let's see what the other want to say. First time solve all question. Okay, let's see the solution of this. I don't know what is the issue here. Think of modularly. And flatten into 1D array, then apply to radiate. What is this? The product of any prefix or suffix of nums is guaranteed. Without using the division operation. I have done this, right? See, it is a CML question. Can you solve the problem in ON extracts complexity? Output of the array does not. Uh, some number do not have modular inverses. Hmm. So, let me think about maybe yes, maybe I can do prefix suffix and that will work. Wait, okay. So, teacher, let's say I created a vector v or I did not initialize size. So what I will do is for integer less than 90 space. J equals to 0, j less than m, space, right? Okay, so unsigned. I don't want to write